Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down ready to start making money online, but just brain freeze? You don't know what to do. What's the next step? You watch 10 videos, but it's like analysis paralysis. Everything is bombarding. You are overwhelmed with information and you are actually more confused than when you sat down. I've been there, don't worry. Everybody starts somewhere. But today I'm going to change that because the number one reason why most people never start is they don't know their niche. By the end of this video, which is a step one in our 7-day challenge to start your journey towards time and financial freedom, is you will learn how to find a niche and what niche is and how all this thing works. Get something you know, something you can build a product about around in about a week. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was sitting in a bar with my friend Kevin, and Kevin asked me, Kevin was mid-40s, warehouse worker, 9-to-5 job, lower middle class man, and said, I always wanted to make money online, but what can I sell or what can I do that people will actually buy? So I asked him, what do your friends usually ask you about? What are you good at? And he said, I am the guy that know how to fix things. So whenever somebody needs help, I can fix things around the house and they call me Mr. Tutorial because I know a lot about DIY. And that's it. That's all there is. Within 1 week, he created a product called 10 tools that every first-time homeowner must own and make it priced at $5. And he sold 5 pieces of that in a day. He made $25. Is he rich now? No. But is he confident that that is working, the system is working? You can actually sell something online. And he found a way how and got results. And his mindset switched, his limiting beliefs are not existent anymore. So what he has now, belief, confidence and momentum. And he will now start a thriving online business with just one product he started for $5. He got the result he needed to see that the system is working. And now everything started with a question, what I can do that somebody else cannot and I can help them with. So let's break the process of picking your niche step by step. First, we need to brain dump your interests. Get a pen, a notebook or a Google Doc or a notes app on your phone, whatever. Write down 3 to 5 things that you are skilled at and you know how to do, or any skills you've picked up over the years. A few examples to get your mind going. You lost weight after 40 and are keeping it. You're great at organizing your home. You have experience budgeting on a tight income. You raised teens. That's right. You have experience in raising teenagers. And you're a great storyteller, so you teach people how to tell stories better. Nothing is too small. Whatever problem you can solve with your skills or your life experience, people will buy. There's always a demand for that. And if you do low-ticket digital products that solves those tiny little problems, you will be able to sell them. The second step is you need to find a helpful angle on your skill. You have to ask yourselves, can I solve a problem for someone with this? Let's say you wrote down gardening. Can you help beginners grow a small garden on a balcony, like tomatoes or strawberries? If you can, there is your niche. Worried it's too narrow? Perfect. If it's too narrow, it will work even better. Specific is what is selling. You don't say how to declutter your home, but you say how to declutter in 7 days, how to declutter your storage room or a garage in 7 days by throwing away things that you don't need, and how to identify those things and stuff like that. So a specific problem. Nobody wants a generic guide. They want herbs for lazy gardeners who killed every single plant they owned. See what I mean? Next, you need to do what's called a demand check to check if anybody wants this and needs this. Here is a quick way you can find out. Go to YouTube and try to search for your idea or your niche. See if there are any videos with views, like not hundreds of views, but thousands of views? If yes, you're in business. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're trying to sell. So you talk to the person you were one step before. All right, you should now know how to pick your niche, how to pick a niche that is in demand, and you can build a product around it. If you find this video helpful, like it, because there are 6 more videos coming after these in a series where you will build a digital product in 7 days. And remember, you're not too late, you're not too old, and you are just one step behind the start line. And we just crossed it with this video. Go and create and find